Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I created this look. So this one is a fun, colorful, vibrant color themed candy pop themed kind of makeup tutorial. I just created this just for fun. So if you want to play around with colors, you can definitely recreate these kind of looks with different colors. And I honestly filmed this to make it as an Instagram video, but I don't know why I asked my Instagram family whether I have to make it as a YouTube video or an Instagram video, but they actually voted for me to make this as YouTube video. So here I am going to show you how I created this look. So this is my bare face with no product on. So I just have applied some moisturizer. So next I am just applying some primer as usual, which by the way I forget sometime. That day I actually forgot and I refilmed it. I just remember that. So yeah, for primer I used the Wet n Wild one, and for color correction I used an orange corrector from Stay Quickie. Next for foundation I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in shade NW45. So I sometimes use NC45, but I like the finish of NW45 on my face. NW45 is more on the oranger side and also has a neutral base, but I use yellow toned concealer and powder to kind of balance everything out at the end, and I honestly like NW45 on my face. Next for concealing I'm using my Fawn concealer, and this one is from LA Girl Cosmetics, and this one is like my all-time favorite concealer, and the shade is like a beautiful highlighting shade for my face. Next for powder I'm using the Huda Beauties Kunafa shade. Here you can see the concealer is yellow undertone and the powder is also yellow undertone, so at the end everything will be balanced. So yeah, I'm just setting all my face, like majority of the concealed areas with the powder, and also removing all the excess. Next for a slight bronzing and a bit of contour, I'm mixing those two shades from my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. That's the dark version. Now all the product details and the names and links will be given in the description box below. Next for blush I'm using the Nyka's Brazilian Bombshell blush palette, and I'm taking a pink shade and I'm applying this on the center of my nose and on my cheeks. For highlighter I'm using the one from Sugar Cosmetics, and this one is Champagne, I don't remember the name, I'm sorry. I'm just highlighting the areas where I have to highlight or where I like to highlight. Next for eyeshadow I'm using this Nicka eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking a pink shade. It's a light rose shade, and I'm just working this on the socket of my eyelids. First I took a pink color, then I'm taking a light rose color. Sorry for the confusion I made earlier. So once after blending that, for the lid area I'm taking a beautiful sky blue color, and the pigmentation, as you can see, it's so nice, but it's a bit chalky, so I was not able to properly pack the color. But if you are ever using this eyeshadow palette, just make sure you conceal your eyelids first before applying the powder, so that in that way the eyeshadow will pop more vibrant. And for liner I used a Stay Quickie sketch liner, and for kajal I'm using the Faces kajal, and it's a gel based kajal. And the eyeliner wise I just made a blunt line on the top of my lash line. So next I am just going to take a pink eyeshadow from the same palette, and I'm just smudging the lower lash line underneath the kajal which I have applied earlier. Next I'm just curling my eyelashes using a Vega eyelash curler. Then I'm going to apply some mascara. No, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. So I just corrected my eyebrows. And for lips I'm using my Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha shade, I believe, on my lips, and I'm not lining or doing any sort of things. I'm just bluntly filling the color, and I'm going to slightly dab the blush color on the center of my lips. It has a bit of sheen, and that's why it's giving me like a metallic finish on my lips, and I honestly liked it very much. And I definitely used mascara, and I somehow missed it, and I remember using L'Oreal Million Lashes mascara on this particular day. So yeah, that's the mascara part, missed out as usual. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you all like the video. You can definitely try this out. It's like very nice, cool, and colorful and popping. Only when you close your eyes or look down, the colors are visible. So you can definitely play around with colors. Yeah, if you want to try this out, you can definitely try this out, and follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet, and tag me if you have recreated this look. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.